Hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we are going to learn something more in Flutter. Okay, and basically we are going to make a, what you can say, I'm going to make WhatsApp clone. Okay, just the UI portion of the WhatsApp. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so firstly I will import the material package. Okay, and after that void main, this will go to run app, and I will give a new name as WhatsApp. Okay, now we have to create a class that will be a stateless widget, that will be WhatsApp, that will extend stateless widget. Yep. And yep, this done. And in this stateless widget, what we will do, we will return the material app, and in this material app we will define the title as the my WhatsApp, and the theme will be new theme data. In this theme data we will define the primary color, and the primary color will be new color. And what's the code will, I am just copying simple codes from somewhere. FF075E54, this is the code of WhatsApp. Green screen, that is on the above, and this will be new color of 0xFF25D366. Now it's done. Okay, and now we will give the debug show checked banner mode as the false, because we don't want that red banner at the side of our right hand corner of our app. Okay, now what will the home will be new WhatsApp state, or you can say new WhatsApp home. Okay, now it's true, right? Now here we can create a class of new WhatsApp home. Okay, this will extend a stateful widget, and in this we will override some methods, and this will return what? This will return a new state class. Okay, new WhatsApp state. You can just reduce these lines, but I am not gonna do that. New WhatsApp state. This will extend what? This will extend simple state, and this will call the class WhatsApp home. Okay, but this is our main structure. Okay, this will extend with something, what you can say, single ticker. This is basically used for the animation purpose. Okay, now moving towards our UI portion, you can see that there will be a scaffold, because we want app bars and other features. So you can see there are many features like app bar, drawer, navigation button bar, and drawer, and many things. Okay, so without wasting time, let's create a app bar. In this app, what we will do, so in this app bar there will be a new app bar. yep, and it will have title. What will the title? Title will be sorry, WhatsApp. Yep, because in WhatsApp there is only WhatsApp. What is this title? Why it's showing error? Okay, sorry, we don't have put that this, and after that this. Okay, we have set the title. Okay, now after setting the title, we have a tab bar just below the what you can say, one sec, there is also action widget, because in WhatsApp there are two functions. Yep, one for the search menu and second for the more, or it shows the settings. So I am going to give a icon, and in that icon there will be icons dot what. First will be the search part, search. Okay, and there will again be a icon that will give us the icons dot more and yep, word. These all are the basically the material icons that are provided by the Googles. So you can see that WhatsApp use all the material thing that are provided by the Google. Okay, so let me give the, so let's first check what the outcome of this. Okay, so let me run this. It will take a little bit time, but it will definitely give us the output without any error, I think so. So this is my screen that you are seeing. So let's see what the output. It's resolving dependencies. This video might be a little bit long, but after the APK has been built and it's installing in our mobile, so you can just see what the output of this is within few seconds. Let me just see. Why it's taking so much time, but yep, you can see that the white screen has appeared and it will sync the files to my phone. After that it will show the outcome. So you can see that there is a WhatsApp written and there are two icons, but they should have some gaps. So for that we will need a padding, edge insert only, left from left, no from right. Right, this will be 10, you can say 5.0, and let me just hot reload it. This will separate the files a little bit. Yep, you can see that this has been shifted a little bit. So moving to forward, we have done with our action button. Now we need a body of our, we have done with the app bar. Now we have to move forward with tab bars. Okay, because we want tabs. For that, not body, we want what you can say, bottom. Why it's not showing here? Because I am doing that in wrong place. Yep, we want at bottom, and at bottom there will be a tab bar. Okay, tab bar, and in this tab bar, okay, what we can say, in this tab bar, let me delete all this. In this tab bar, firstly there will be what, indicator color. What will the indicator color? That will the white. Okay, we have a indicator color, and after that indicator color we will have tabs. Tab will be a widgets, list of widgets, and in this widget what will we have? Firstly, in WhatsApp we have 4 tabs. Okay, we all know that. Let me copy, paste, we have 4, no, there are 5. Okay, first this will be for the camera. Okay, this will be for the chat, this will be for the status, and this will be for the calls. Okay, so here what here will be? Here will be an icon of what? Icon, and in that icon we will pass the icons dot camera alt, because if we pass the camera like this, it will show us this camera. Okay, but we don't want that camera, so here will be alt. Okay, now moving forward, in this chat section, there will be what? There will be, you can see that there are only 4 keys: key, text, child, and icon. In this tab there will be a text, and this text will be new text, and this will be chats. Okay, and same we will copy, but why it's showing error? Text can not be assigned to the parameter type string. Okay, sorry about that. This text only says that. Okay, so we can just say something here like, what happened? Text, and in this status, and in this text there will be what you can say status. After status there are calls. Okay, we have calls. Okay, so let me remove this. We have done with our tabs, so let's see what the output comes. It's performing hot restart, and let's syncing files. Tab controller. Oh, sorry, we don't have a tab controller here, so we have to define that. So before that, we have to just, after this app bar, we have to make a body, and in this body let us create the tab bar view. Tab bar view have children, and this children will be of what? This children will be of widgets. Yep, widget. Yep, we have done it. And in this widget there will be new camera, new chats, sorry, after that new status, after that new calls. Okay, so we have done with this, and this shows some error because we have not created these class yet. And after that there will be a floating action button, and this will be what? Floating action button, and on pressed this will not do anything, but we have to give it some properties also, like we have to give it the background color. What is the background color? Background color will be the theme sorry, dot of context, dot Asian color. Yep. And after that there will be a child, because in that child we have an icon of message, icon, and that icons dot message. Okay. And this icon will have a color of colors dot white, because it is filled white. Okay, so we have done it here. So talking about the error we seen here, this was because we haven't created a tab controller. For that we have to just type tab controller here, T, and after this tab controller we have to override init state method. Okay, this will initialize the tab controller as new tab controller. It has a length, we will give it 4 because we have 4 tabs there. vsync will ask for this, and then initial index will be at 1. Okay, we have initial index at 1. Okay, now it's done. Now moving toward the tab bar. Yep, here the controller, here it will ask for controller. Yep, controller will be T. Okay, now you can see that we have done everything, but we haven't done these things. Okay, as there are 4 things, we can just create either 4 classes, or we can, let me create 4 files. Oh, I can just do it here only. No, I will create a new class, new file. File will be camera dot dart. Okay, in the similar way, let me create the 4 files. Chats dot dart, status dot dart, and after that last we have calls dot dart, calls dot dart. Okay, so here what will be in the what you can say, this is camera section. So in this camera section we will firstly import the not main dot dart, we will import the material dot dart class. Camera extends, what it will extend a stateless widget, and in this stateless widget we don't want anything to change, that's why we are using this stateless widget. And in this stateless widget we will pass a center widget, and in this center widget we will have a child, and that child will contain the text, and that text will be camera. Okay, this is done. And in this similar manner, let me copy all this, copy, paste, and then paste. Let me go here, calls, here comes status, moving here in the chat. Yep, chat. Okay, moving further, we can just import these files. Okay, and this is chats. We can just say this chats, status, and this calls. So we have done everything. Okay, so what is left? there is one thing left, that we have to assign what we have to and you can say that we have to assign some of the features of chat, like name, anything else. So for that we have to create a model class, model dot dart. Okay, in this class there will be a model. It will create a string name comma message comma time. Okay, and we will create a constructor. We have done with our constructor, and after that we will create a list of what? We will create a list of model. We create a list of model with name as details. Okay, in this we will pass new model and name will be you, and time will be, what will the time? 1:30. Let me copy and paste this several times. Okay, I don't care about the name and anything else, so let me just remove the call this and camera section, because we are just focusing on the chat portion. Okay, so in this chat portion, what you can say, this chat screen will just extend a stateful widget. Okay, because there are states, so we have to import this. Yep, and we have to remove this thing. Okay, and here we can call the new chat state. Okay, and after that we will create a new class as chat state that will extend what, and this. Okay, this has created a, yep, and after that we will extend this some files, and in this what we will create, we will create a list view, list view dot builder. Okay, and in this list view dot builder, what we will do, we will pass the item count. What will the item count? Item count will be the details. Why it's not, why is it not? Okay, it's not because we haven't imported the model dot dart. No, details dot length. Okay, we have done. Now we will item builder, and in this item builder we will pass two things, context, and here will be a index, I can say I. This will pass a new or you can say that return new LUMN column. Okay, we have returned new column, and in this column what will be there? There will be a children of widgets. Children of widget will be a, firstly there will be a divider. divider will be, there will be a height of 10.0. okay, and after that divider there will be a new, you can see that list title. okay, in this list title what will be, there will be a new, because we have a circular avatar. okay, and in that foreground color, yep, colors dot gray, and background color will be colors dot blue. I'm not focusing on what it's real, but after that we will have a title will be a new row, and in that new row main axis element, main axis and space between, and after that children widget. okay, new text, and in that text what will be, details of I dot name comma style. What will the style, new text style, font weight will be font weight dot bold. yep yep, there will be another new text. What this text will tell, this text will tell about the details of I dot time, and after that, yep, let me style it and let me give it a new text style as colors dot gray. yep, so we have done with our title. yeah, now we will have a subtitle, and subtitle will again call a new row. okay, this will go to the main axis alignment, space between, and there will be a child. okay, we have only one thing, so we can just convert this to container. so let me remove this. This will be a child, and this child will definitely have a text, and this text will be what, details of I dot message. okay, and let me style this. This will be new text style, and this colors is equal to colors dot, not blue, let it be black. yep, we have done. oh, so have we finished it? We have done everything. So let's rerun it and let's see what the output comes. Performing hot restart. What's the output? not showing anything. Why? Let me rerun it. Okay, I think it should have lost the connection to my device. Let's see what the output comes. Oh, it is taking a little bit time, but let it be. It has built the APK. It's initializing the APK, installing. Sorry. Oh, and if the code runs successfully, then these code will be uploaded in my, and that will be linked in the description below. So please, if you want these code, you can definitely go and check out my GitHub repository. Okay, let's see what the output comes. It has installed, but it will sync with my file in my phone. Okay, oh, it's showing some error. No tab controller for tab view. You can see that there are something, but I think only one thing is missing. What is missing? We have what is the error? Let me just check in our code. We have a controller of this here. This is our tab controller. Yup. New tab bar view. Why it's showing us the error? Oh, because we haven't added a controller here. Okay, so let us rerun it. So let us rerun it and see the output comes. Let's see. Why? Yep. Let it rebuild. Let's see. it has built the APK. It's installing. It's been a long video since I started, but I will definitely cut some of the parts of video. You won't feel bored. See. Come on. So you can see that the list view has been, and you can see that I can just swap between these. Okay, and this is my list view. Okay, so that's it. I have not added any of the functionalities here, but if you want me to add, I will definitely add that. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and if you want me to make anything else, please write down in the comment and I will definitely get back to you on that. Thank you. Have a nice day.